What go on, my people? It's your boy BigFoot from Blue Mountain Jungle. Today I bring you another episode of Belly Full or Belly Full. I go taste some forest food and I tell you the truth. No filter, no lie. First up, we have ripe mango. This mango, sweet like church sister secret. Juicy and fat, like the Jamaican girl them. Yeah man, 10 out of 10. More than nyam this again anytime. Up next on the menu, bread for our time, people. Me have to be honest, me and breadfruit have a toxic relationship. Every time I roast it, it burn my tongue. Every. My tongue feel like me just lick a hot blood clot Dutch pot where just come off of the fire, me nah lie star. Volcano tongue, me say, but the girl them love that. Still, me love it same way. 8 out of 10 for vibes, but me have to get 3 out of 10 for safety. Was so far, so good. Up next, snail. My cousin Marvin says snail a delicacy. Marvin also said the earth flat. So me skeptical. Oh, sir. This tastes like wet sock soaking dirty puddle water. -4. Belly full for real, me can't manage. You see this? Coconut is my soulmate. Smooth, refreshing, loyal. Unlike Tanisha from down by the bamboo patch. You know what? 11 out of 10. Coconut cure my heartbreak. And I'm a dry scalp, nah lie. Big up to all who tune in. Remember, some food are belly full, some are belly full, but all of them come with a story. I'll see you next time for more jungle nyamming. Same time, same belly.